Hey guys, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I thought I'd share with you guys some of the fun things I got on my recent trip to Kyoto. And this is sort of like a mini haul of things I got at the Rilakkuma store. And not just a regular Rilakkuma store, but basically the tea shop kind of place that they have in Arashiyama. And we were able to go again, and luckily I was able to enjoy the dinner style, kind of like savory meals. The last time we went, we had coffee and sweets, and that was super fun. But this time we were like, okay, maybe we should try some of the savory dishes, the more like lunch or dinner stuff. So I had curry, and Kate had like an omurice, and Audrey had sushi kinds of like things, if I remember correctly. And I totally swiped the placemat that they have under there so I could have that as a memory. And I always take a couple of the napkins, and this was where the chopsticks were. They were inside of that. And then they also just have business cards out, but the design's really cute, so I got that as well. And actually, you can only eat when you go there in person. They don't let you do reservations. You have to kind of appear and tell them that you're ready to eat. Put your name down and then do it from there. We were there around 10:45, and so no one was really there yet. So we were able to sit down right away. But when we were done, it started getting really busy. So if you're there, make sure to consider that. It gets really crowded really fast. So afterwards, we went down to the gift shop, and they had lots of really cute stuff that I always like looking at. And actually, it's kind of nice because the online store just finally opened like yesterday. They're finally making it so you can buy things from online. I don't know if they have everything, but it is cool that they have some stuff, because before it was only exclusively if you went there could you buy stuff from here. So I'm curious to see what they actually have online. I haven't checked it out yet. But I had wanted to get this coaster because I had one and I lost it. I think I threw it away on accident. And so I got a replacement for that. And these aren't actually, I thought they'd be a lot more expensive, but this is like only 300 yen for this, which isn't too bad for character goods. And then they also had something more like current with this little guy and the pretty kind of spring colors there. So I was really excited to get that. And these are things maybe that they may not always have online, even when they do have the store, that are kind of more unique to seasonal stuff. So that was one more that I got of that. And then I had to get this cute tissue holder pouch. The appearance of it is that it's kind of like a onsen style place where you go, a hot bath place, public bath. But they don't really have one there, but they have the imagery of it as the kind of style of things. So it's really cute to see that. So I had to get that because it was really cute, and then I can have it in my bag all the time. You can tell kind of by that right there about the kind of quality of the fabric there. It's so nice, very, very well crafted and made, good high quality materials for that, for sure. And then some of the other things I got actually were not exclusive just to that store, but I was super excited to get because I love them so much. One of the sub-characters of this series is the little wolf, who is Chairoi Koguma's, or the little bear's friend. And this is his like towel handkerchief. So you can kind of see there's like outlines of his head and embroidered in the back. And then one right there of him just completely embroidered with his little teeth sticking out. So that was cute. Had to have that. And then I was on a mission to try to find a replacement for my glasses case. And the one I have is also Rilakkuma, and it's actually specifically a glasses case. And it's just starting to kind of, lose the outer, coating and flake off and stuff. So I was like, okay, maybe I need to get a new one soon. So Audrey found this actually. I didn't catch it at first, but this is one of their newer designs that they've been doing of them eating donuts and just chilling, like relaxing on the couch. And I have a memo pad of this series, And I knew they had these other goods, and I was like, oh, I don't know. I don't really need that, but it's so cute. But now I have more of an excuse because I'm going to put my glasses in it. So it's so cute. I love it. The color scheme is so adorable. It's just very, very adorable. I love it a lot. So I was really happy to get that. And then, but these are all kind of like early birthday presents, you know. I was like, I can't really justify buying all these things. But a lot of this stuff is like, okay, that's for my birthday in September, so I'm gonna kind of wait out until that time and open it all during that time. And then we went to the actual specific Rilakkuma store in Kyoto, which is part of Kittyland. And when I was there, I just happened to see this little file, and I was like, okay, I've got to get that because that's just way too cute. With them dressed up there. So I usually tend to stick more to always getting the little brown bear stuff, but anything with all of them on here is really cute. So that was what I got from that store. So that is sort of a look at some of the goods that I got on our trip to Kyoto. If you guys get a chance to come and you're a fan of this kind of stuff, you like these kinds of character goods, I would highly recommend going. And yeah, thanks you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!